Hurry up! It's day 3 in Oregon. Time is 6:10. I'm so tired. We're gonna hit up the hot spring. It's gonna be lit. You ready, bro? Bro.
Yeah.
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 Are you tired?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh boy. I need food and I need sleep. That's what I need.
Oh, get those raindrops.
Drop top. Oh, I got that.
We're tired no more. It's cold on the floor, cold on the floor. This house has never been the same as before. It's never felt warm, never felt warm. There's something moving through the windows and walls. I've seen it before, I've seen it before.
Yo. Yo, thoughts on this?
Get out of my shot.
You get on my shot. Banger.
Offloading the minivan.
Skirt. Skirt for real. Skirt.
Heck.
It's a good thing we got gas. Everything is awesome. Sheesh. Yo, we're getting stuck in the minivan out here. Swag. Skirt!
I'm always wishing I was walking that road. Something that I hope. Take it with me all the places I go. How little you know, how little you know.
You gotta turn right there.
I only need to feel up. I only sleep to rest. I need a life that's like the day.
Nice. Yo, day 3 in Oregon.
Out here. Still out.
Out here. Haven't had food.
What are you on?
We've been feeding off the land.
Are you sure? Don't.
It's like, what the fuck is this? Casting waterfall or something?
Oh my god. Okay, that's a real photo.
Yes! BTS!
What? These are non-renewable resources. What? You are holding out? What? I'm using GoPro right now. Shout out to Noah, or else I won't be vlogging. Follow him on IG. Just went through the waterfall. We took some banger walking back to our car, soaking wet. It was worth it. Worth the mud, right? Woo! It's Negative Noah, okay?
Negative Noah.
Yo, I'm changing my Instagram name.
Negative Noah? Swinging your bag at me.
Guys!
Whoa, watch it. Cool hair flip. I don't even have a floppy hat on.
I don't need a full hat.
She looks like a witch now.
She is triggered.
Oh, dude. Oh, okay. Stand right there.
Will it take an ad? Like, will it take if you type in Austin Hot Springs, or do I need a GPS thing?
Just type in Austin Hot Springs, see what comes up. Oh, look at that clean glass.
Yo, we out here and the lens is foggy. We've been driving for... How long have we been driving? I don't even know. It's aesthetics. Okay, we're taking pictures of her right now. We're gonna go up to the hot spring. Gonna have so much fun. Swag. We're hiking up to a hot spring right now. It's around 3 miles. It's pretty snowy. So, tough hike. It's gonna be a banger. Yo, squad. Hey, squad. 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 Yo, vlog takeover.
We're currently hiking the trail because our minivan couldn't make it through. So, pretty not nice. We haven't even made it to the actual trailhead yet. So, oh shit, that's deep. Yeah, we're just trudging on here through the snow in our ankle booties.
We found a big trailhead. Walking up to the hot spring. Now it's probably like a 20-minute hike. Yeah. Stoked. Excited. Some say that there's only 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes. Some say fuck you. 20 more minutes. Woo. Yo, it's only 20 minutes, but we're here now. You guys excited? Excited. Yo, we here in the water. Hot tub. Really? We out here.
We made it.